Hi, this is Joy. I'm the girl who spent 89 days to independently build an RV. And it took 3.5 months. I traveled United States by myself. In the short-term future, I will show you how did I build my mobile home. And I split it in the 3 screens and show you at the same time. Don't be lazy, here we go. The main work on the first day was cleaning and the rust removal. I will show the product detail at the end. The second day was gluing and the shockproof. The third day was detail measurement. Let me explain why you need to refill the glue. So this car is 2007. It's about 14 years old. Here is the glue has turned to yellow. There are some old glue I need to remove and I put a new one. Then many years later, the car keeps shaking when the car is moving. When I'm looking back on the first week when I'm off, here shows the 4th day of modification. Due to the pandemic, the cost of the material in the United States has skyrocketed 5 times. After buying the material, I started measuring the size and cutting the wheel hook. I swear this is my first time in my life to use the saw. Could you believe me? I never cut my finger. From the nail selection to the planing installation and the final selection method of ceiling keel installation, a total of 4 days. About keel top installation, I have some tips to share you. Segment the keel and hit it directly on the side, but not directly below it, in turn to save the height of the standing in the car in the future. In that way, my car can handle a guy who is 6'4". Same of the horizontal way, save the space for the cabinet, instead all the way up. Later, it was put on the shockproof glue. This was my first week of van build story. The next I want to show you how did I choose my tools. The rust remove has the own nozzle, but I suggest use a brush instead. There is instruction behind the bottom. After brushing, waiting for 25 minutes and use clean water to remove. The shockproof glue is more casual, just use something used for the metal. The keel I choose 1x3 from Home Depot. It feels more smooth. I used the Ryobi 12 pieces full size, but it's sold out already. I strongly recommend it to buy the saw blade and the sandpaper by yourself because of the better quality.
见过穿成这个样子来Home Depot买钉子的吗？我也没见过。但不管怎么样，买钉子是最重要的。我先找钉子啦。
讲讲，此时总共换了12桶油，没有开滤网，没有换滤网的扳手，没有油桶。我刚刚用IKEA 买来装外宿的，然后回头再送到 AutoZone 里面丢掉，因为 AutoZone 是一个卖汽车配件的地方，然后他们会回收废的机油。这样子的话就会比较环保，不能到处乱丢。然后我明天应该会去专业的修车厂跟他们撒一下胶，建一下这个扳手，只是换一下空气滤网，不是机油滤网。Hopefully.
Alright, that's for today's RV modification introduction. You're welcome to ask any question in the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe. More story waiting for you.